Private pool home featuring one of the largest floor plans in the community, Disney fireworks at night, a real 3-car garage, wooded backyard view, and new HVAC. Welcome to the Lakes of Windermere, offering a gated entrance with sparkling fountain and beautifully landscaped amenities such as walking paths, barbecue park, and playgrounds under a beautiful canopy of mature trees nearby the community pool. Inside this home is a huge floor plan with very high ceilings and large windows, allowing natural light to light up the entire home. The foyer opens to a combination of formal areas with crown molding, wainscoting and half-guest bath. Adjacent is a large kitchen, big family room, recessed dinette, and 2 covered brick paver patios, all with a great view of the screen-enclosed pool. The kitchen features wood cabinets, island with sink and breakfast bar, and new microwave in 2017. The family room offers room for large furniture and large triple sliders, expanding the entertainment space outside. Upstairs is big. The master suite is so large. It has a dedicated HVAC system for comfort and enjoyment. The master bath offers a garden tub, separate shower and nearby walk-in closet. There are 3 additional bedrooms. One is a suite with a private full bath and the other 2 share a Jack and Jill full bath. The 3-car garage is quite big, perfect for multiple vehicles, and stores the new water heater.